In order for you to send samples to the GAN lab, we suggest that you order sample collection kits through the NUTBAU system so that you will have all the materials necessary to collect the sample and send it to the laboratory. You can order these kits through our kit request page. On the main menu, click on Account, then choose Request Kits from the drop-down menu. In the Request Kit screen, click on the pull-down menu arrow next to Requested Kits. Choose the number of kits you wish to order. You will need one kit for each sample you plan to send in. Next, click on the Ship To drop-down box. Select the location where you would like the kits to be sent. Then, in the Delivery by Date box, enter the date or use the calendar to select the date you would like to receive the kits. Please note that this is the approximate date you will receive your kits. Available dates are shown in dark blue on the calendar. For an additional fee, the GAN lab can send your kits via rush delivery. If you choose this option, you will not need to choose a delivery by date because shipments of this kind will go out on the same business day or next. Once your information for the kit shipment has been entered and if everything looks correct, click the Submit Update button. Once submitted, the request will show up as a line item in the kit request screen. The system will keep a history of your kit requests and the status of each one. If something doesn't look right or you need to cancel a kit request, you can do so by clicking on the kit request you wish to change or delete. Once you have clicked on the request you wish to change or delete, the request information will appear. If you change anything in the request boxes, remember to click the Submit Update button. If you wish to delete a kit request, you can do so by clicking the Delete button. Congratulations! You have finished the tutorial. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call or email the GAN lab. Thank you.